Up where I live, the winters are really dark. The sun rises around 10 and sets around 2, leaving us with 20 hours of blackness outside before the light comes back again. I find it very easy to get lazy when most of the day feels like nighttime, like my body partially wants to go into hibernation until February. At the same time, I am torn between all the things I want to do in the snow, and I always feel like there's not enough time. Two years ago, snowboarding became one of my favorite things in life, and after giving it my all to learn, I started to eventually look away from the slopes and out into the larger, steeper and wilder mountains. When that happened, I also realized that the thing about ski touring is not even about the ride you get. It's the whole experience. Planning a route, hiking up, stopping for snacks and getting a weird goggle thing. The ride down, shit or heavenly, is just a bonus to an already great day. We have had the most magical weather for like 2 weeks now, and it's been super cold. I think it's minus 18 degrees Celsius right now, and it's gonna be sunny all day. And we've had a lot of these days, so I've just been trying to spend as much time as I can up here. It's wow. So I got a new board for this season. It's a split board, which you can make into 2 skis, as you saw. It's really nice to finally have one. I always used to use snowshoes and carry my board instead, but that's so heavy, especially when you're rocking in powder. So I'm super happy about this one, and I've been trying to use it as much as I can. So I'm gonna take my first ride down of the day now. Super excited. Oh, that was so incredible. The snow is so good. On days like these, snowboarding feels like surfing on the clouds. For me, it's always been about letting go of control and trusting my body to feel what to do. To be able to ride like I know I can, I need my mind to go blank and just trust. This winter, Olof and I have been helping out to make the ski tracks in the forest where we live. Our neighbors have always done it, but as they're getting older and Olof have experience driving snowmobiles, we're now getting out there every time it has snowed. I follow along as extra weight and to help out when the snowmobile gets stuck in the snow. Ska jag dra den bakåt? Eller kan du köra bakåt? Jag tror jag kan köra bakåt, jag är inte fast ännu. Nej. Jag tar en bild på det, va? Så.
Det är sjukt svårt att köra nu.
Ja. I'm out here with my skis right now. I love that I can just put them on at our porch and just walk out into the forest. It is so beautiful out today. It's so snowy and frosty. I don't really have as much time today as most days. So I thought I would just walk up the hill here at home instead of going to the mountains. But this is like paradise. So the sun has just set behind those mountains over there, and it's so beautiful. The sky's got this yellow, orange, pink and blue hue, and it's a typical January sunset. It's so pretty. I love all these miniature trees up here, and all the snow makes it look like winter wonderland. You can hear so far because it's completely silent up here. You can hear the train from many miles away. There's a husky barking somewhere. It's almost so you can hear the ski lifts on the mountain where I usually ride. It's so peaceful. It's starting to get a little bit cold, so I'm gonna ride down the hill soon. I'm gonna warm up with the fire. That's gonna be nice. It's funny, when I lived in an apartment before, I think I moved here 1.5 years ago. My biggest dream was to have a fireplace to warm up in front of. I thought they were so cozy, and it was like a life goal. And I feel like I'm living the dream life. Nothing's perfect, but it doesn't have to be. It's just things like this are what makes me feel rich. There's nothing I need that I don't have. I'm just so thankful for life, I guess.